Goal number 5 is going to ask you to solve equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. For these, I like to draw a line down the middle to kind of allow me to talk about both sides of that equal sign. My first goal is to get all the variables, in this case the y's, on the same side, on that left side. So I'm going to start by subtracting 5y on both sides, which allows me to get rid of the y's on the right side and rewrite this problem as 3y plus 3 equals -9. Now it's a two-step problem, always a goal. I need to get rid of the plus 3. I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. Now 3y is equal to -12. Divide by 3 using that inverse operation, and y is equal to -4. Number 11, again, I'm going to go ahead, draw that line down the center. Allow me to talk about a left side and a right side. And just in case, left side, right side. I'm going to move all of my variables to the left side. It doesn't matter, but let's stick with something we do. I'm going to add 2y this time to zero out the y on the right side. 1y, don't forget when there's no number there, there's a sneaky 1. 1y plus 2y is 3y minus 8 equals 16. The y's are gone. Two-step equation. Yes. All right. I'm going to add 8 to both sides using those inverse operations. So now 3y is equal to 24. Got to get rid of the 3. Use that inverse operation again. Divide by 3, divide by 3. And I end up with y is equal to 8. And finally, number 12. I'm going to scroll down, give myself some room. You can see that this problem has a lot more terms, a lot more things going on. Still going to split it into my left side and right side. This time, before I start moving things around, if I look at this left side, there's some like terms I can combine. I've got a -2x and an 8x. Put those together to get 6x, and I still have a plus 32. Cleans up the left side. The right side, it's got this distributive going on. Wait, distribute? Distribute what? Sneaky 1 there. -1 is being distributed to the 3x and to the 6. When we distribute like that, we end up with -3x. Let me write an equal sign in the middle so I don't forget it. And negative times a negative is +6 minus 1. Again, once I distribute, I can get rid of the parentheses. I still have like terms I can combine on the left side. Sorry, right side. So the left side, I'm going to keep it the same, 6x plus 32. The right side, I've got -3x, and then 6 minus 1 is 5. Whew, all that work. Now I've got a simpler equation with x's on both sides. I'm going to move my x's by adding 3x, making it so 9x is on the left, plus 32 equals 5. Two-step equation. Yes, it's time to work. I'm going to subtract 32 on both sides, leaving me with 9x is equal to, I'm going to scroll down a little bit to give myself some more space. Don't worry, I'll come back up at the end. And I think I forgot something. That should be 32. There we go. 5 minus 32, -27. Last step, isolate the variable. Inverse of multiplication is division, and we end up with x is equal to -3. Again, I'll scroll up a little bit so you can see that whole problem. Ooh, there we go. That last one might have been a challenge. That's just fine. There's a lot to keep track of. You can see it's a multi-step problem. Really is. I'm not going to count those steps because they're uncountable. You're going to do them as you do them. If you're feeling good about these type of problems and you're ready for a challenge, give it a shot. If you're like, I'm not there yet, then go ahead. That redemption is on the left.